Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
The Honda.
Really?
2 weeks ago.
Uh-oh.
He decided that he was gonna still show up and show out.
Wow. Can I come in?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
Huh? Yeah, man.
So what all's in here in your name, man?
James. Got 4 EVL 15s on 2 Terra 5Ks.
So you just got this done 4 days ago, or like 4-day build, is what you were saying? Wow.
Yeah, I blew the motor in the base card, and it was quicker to build the box than it was to build the motor.
There you go.
Stock all, just didn't do big 3, nothing, just 2 extra batteries and.
Where's your batteries at?
In toolbox.
Okay, I'll see you in a minute. What size batteries?
231 series.
Okay. Do you know your box specs, like tuning on it or anything?
It's about 17 cubes and it's tuned to 32.
Okay. Pretty impressive just to get it done in a few days. Sorry about the car though, that kind of sucks to hear.
Oh, it's okay. I'm gonna rebuild it anyways.
Yeah. So what's your plans with this? I know since you just got it finished for the show, but is there anything you're working on for this year on it?
Maybe not this one. But never know, I might like it too much and leave it in.
Yeah.
Seal it off a little more.
So you have your port here.
The port's tuned to 32 hertz is what.
Okay.
So,
Awesome. Thank you, man.
just metered it at a 150 on the
Broke it,
meter.
right? 150 straight at that. All right.
Yeah.
Awesome, man. Batteries are heading in here?
Yeah.
All right. Are these, you said group 34?
31.
31s, yep. All right. It's a good idea to be able to store them in here so you have your room. Thank you for showing me.
One day this was a basic workshop.
Really? Wow. done 4 days ago, or like 4-day build. That's what
Yep.
you were saying? Wow.
Yeah, I blew the motor in the base card,
Uh-huh.
and it was quicker to build the box than it was to build the motor.
There you go.
Stock all, just didn't do big three, nothing, just 2 extra batteries, and